Have you ever tried loaded nachos? If you haven't, keep watching as I show you how I make these delicious nachos that you and your family will love. You don't want to miss this at all. Keep watching. Oh my goodness, this was so yummy. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to Share with Love TV. In today's video, we are going to be making nachos. Yeah, we are going to be making loaded nachos. Okay, here are all my ingredients that I will be using for these nachos. Okay, I have my ground beef. I have my tortilla chips. Then I have my cheese. My also I have my jalapeno. Then I have a taco seasoning, one diced onions, onion powder, paprika, salt, and my black pepper. Okay, now what I'll do first is for me to go and fry the beef with the onions. Okay guys, on top of the stove I have my cast iron. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil, just a little, not that much, because you know the beef have oil. Okay, that's my vegetable oil. Then I will allow it to heat up a little bit. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my diced onions. Then I'll give it a quick stir. I'll stir it together. Just fry it. I like to simmer for just a minute or two. Next thing for me now is to add my ground beef.
Now, I like to eat up for a minute. Then the next thing for me is to stir everything together.
I'll make sure I use my wooden spoon to break it apart. I'll leave it for 2 minutes then before I add my seasoning. Okay guys, this is like 3 minutes later. I'm just going to stir it and break apart the lumps. because you don't want it to be lumpy. I'm going to use the back of my spatula to break it apart. At this point, I'm going to add my seasoning, okay? I'll go ahead and add my onion powder. I'll add in my paprika. My black pepper. And adding some salt. Then I'll go ahead and add in my seasoning. The taco seasoning. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir all together. As I'm stirring, I will be breaking the beef apart, okay? I'm going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes for the beef to be, the ground beef to be ready, okay? Okay. Now I'm just going to leave it and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later. Our beef taco, our beef is ready. You want it to be dry, you don't want any water on it. Yeah, it's ready now. Then I'm going to turn off the heat. Then I'll allow it to cool down before we proceed to the next level. This is going to be yummy. It smells so good right now. It smells so amazing. My kids love this recipe right here. My kids love nachos, especially my girl Alessia. She just came back from school and I said I'm gonna make nachos. She was like, yay! Okay guys, this is ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat, then I will allow it to cool completely. The next step is for me to lay the tortilla chips on top of the pan. The next step is for me to add my grounded beef. Then after adding the beef, I'll go ahead and add in my cheese. Then I'll add more chips. Then I'll add more cheese. I'm just going to layer it one after the other. Keep watching guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now I'm adding in my cheese. Then I'll add in more chips, okay? I'm just gonna do it layer by layer, okay? Then I will put, after I'm done with the process, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 355 degree for just 5 minutes. Then our nachos will be ready. Next is for me to add in the jalapeno. I'll add in more tortilla chips. Then I will just repeat the same process before I put it in the oven. While I'm doing this, I've already preheated my oven. Okay. Then after I'm done, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes. My oven is being preheated for 350 degrees. I'm just gonna leave it for just 5 minutes. Okay guys, our nachos is ready. Then I'll go ahead and add in my taco sauce. Okay, I'm just going to add my taco sauce on top of the nachos. Then it's ready to be served. It's ready. It was so yummy. It was so delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it hard. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.